I love Mexican food, and Dom from Light and Easy is here to show us another beautiful recipe using lots of spices and lots of veggies, which is what we like.
Justine, you're going to love this dish. We're doing a pulled Mexican beef with a turmeric rice. So Justine, first off, I'm going to get you to cut me some garlic. Now I'm going to drizzle a little oil into my pan. We're using a lovely brisket. Now, brisket is something that is fabulous, slow cooked, because it is the type of meat that you want to be able to pull apart. So this is a perfect dish. If you're wanting to kind of use this to add into tacos or for tortillas or something like that as well, we've got a lovely turmeric rice packed with antioxidants that we're going to be serving this with.
That's right.
Now, browning the brisket first, you want a really nice hot pan to start with. Just give that a few moments. And as soon as your garlic's ready, we're going to go in with some onions and garlic.
Onion and garlic.
Some great flavour.
So that's 3 cloves of garlic, loads of garlic.
Loads of garlic. This dish too, Justine, is really perfect for those colder nights or rainy days when you want something that's really nurturing. It's packed with protein, and Light and Easy really ensure that their meals are as nutritious as they are delicious. So it's got a lot of vegetables packed into it as well.
This is one of those dishes that I love to make in a big batch because you can freeze portions of it.
Perfect.
And it defrosts really, really well.
Really perfect. All right, so now I've got an array of spices. So look, traditional Mexican food is really about those rich and antioxidant spices. So we're using some smoked paprika, throwing in. We've got tomato paste, chipotle chilies, and the chipotle in adobe sauce are just delicious. Readily and easily available in supermarkets now. So it's something that I think everyone should have in their pantry and imparts that really iconic smoky flavour that you find in Mexican cooking.
Absolutely.
We've got a little bit of cumin. I've got some chilli paste. And of course, if you're not a fan of chilli, those adobe chilies pack a bit of a punch, and we're also adding in chilli paste. So you can drop the chilli down if you'd like this a little bit milder. Oregano, a little bit of brown sugar, just to balance out all the spices. Some corn, and now you can use tin corn, frozen corn, corn on the cob.
Sure.
And of course, we've got our tinned tomatoes. Again, another vegetable serve. So, Justine, that is it. I'm going to just season a little bit of salt and pepper.
It doesn't need any more liquid at all?
No, that's it. Turning it down low, the lid on, and we're going to be cooking this for about 30-40 minutes until that beef is so tender that we'll be able to just pull it apart with a fork.
Sounds good. And while that's cooking, you're going to get me very busy here. I'm going to be making a salsa with tomatoes, spring onions, and some coriander, and a little bit of avocado
a bit of smashed avocado.
Sounds good. Ooh, looks good.
It smells amazing, Justine. And I really love being able to shred the brisket, and it just becomes so tender.
So because we've cut it into smaller little bits, so it doesn't take as long to cook. Usually it would take a couple of hours, wouldn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
All right. So look, that's enough. We're going to leave some. I love leaving just a few sort of chunky pieces in there as well. Now we've got our refried beans that we're adding in. So this is some good plant-based protein and some extra fibre. So you just want to stir that through just until they're really nicely combined. Now, Justine, you have done a beautiful job.
Thank you, Dom. Yes, I've been busy chopping. I do find it therapeutic. We've got our little salsa here, which is a combination of the spring onions. We've got lime in there, the tomatoes, so nice, loads of coriander, and some smashed avocado, which is just the avocado, some lime juice and some salt, and a little garnish of coriander just for you.
Oh, thank you. Smashed avocado is awesome because it's some really healthy heart fats to incorporate into the meal. We've got our delicious turmeric rice, really high in antioxidants, and our beautiful beef.
Yep.
Our Mexican pulled beef. Now, Justine, this is a meal for 4. I mean, it's really a feast. But if you're on your own, you're short on time, or you can't find the ingredients, then having the light and easy version of this meal in your freezer means that you will be able to enjoy this delicious Mexican beef in about 7 to 8 minutes.
Sounds so good. I mean, just a spread like this. This is why I like Mexican food, because it's very bright, it's vibrant, and you know it's going to be super tasty. Thanks, Dom.